Hi guys, I'm Acharya Tanish Gupta, your spiritual counselor, and here I am to give you a guidance for the month of September 2024. Let's dive right into it and see what does the month of September hold for people who are single right now and looking for love. Aren't we all? I see a lot of karmic debts coming together and getting paid off. That is what I see. I strongly see effects of Mercury retrograde and all your ex crushes or those people who supposedly liked you but they did not really make any effort to make things work. They're going to come back and they're going to be all, I love you, you're so amazing, blah, blah, blah. Don't fall for that. That is a trap. Seriously, I'm telling you, because you need to understand people like them, they people just don't generally change until they want to. And I don't see them changing at all. Do I? No, I don't see them changing at all. I see them just taking a part of you again and making you feel as if they have done an amazing job by being in your life, but they haven't. Now, coming to people who are in a relationship, and let's see what holds for you in your romantic love life. So, this guidance is general guidance. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't, and follow me on YouTube so that you can have a look at the guidance every time whenever you are in doubt. For the people in relationship, I see a lot of miscommunication, misunderstandings. In some ways or the other, you both will have arguments which would make things a little bit difficult. You want something which they don't want and they want something which you don't want. I strongly see that you both will have miscommunication, and it's very important that you both learn effective ways of communicating. I see one of you is avoidant and one of you is pretty much anxious, which makes things difficult for you both. And I see that you both will not be getting along in a lot of ways. That your partner is someone who tends to run away from the serious conversations, and you are someone who gets too anxious when it comes to having a serious conversation. And the guidance for you both is take some time off, sit with yourself, introspect, understand what is it that you really require or need. If you're anxious attachment, try to see the thing which you're looking for out of your partner. Is it something which is coming out of your deeply rooted trauma, or is it something which really is important to you? And if you're avoidant, instead of ghosting them, try to sit with your thoughts and understand why do you feel like running away every time there is an important conversation. And once you crack that code, do let me know in the comments. Now let's see how are the finances for the month of September for you all. How is it going to be? I'll be diving into for people who have their own businesses as well. Hmm. A very good month for people in businesses. I must say, you need to be a bit strategic and keep taking those required actions. And I'm pretty sure you will be able to crack that deal you're looking forward to. For people who have jobs, I see that you need to be a bit straightforward to your seniors and tell them your idea, tell them your innovative thoughts, share with them with a proper plan of actions. In a lot of ways, I see that you all need to start saving. You need to start balancing your finances in terms of your needs and wants. And also, it's important for you to not be impulsive when it comes to spending, because I see a lot of you love shopping way too much. And that is not a crime, but try to save up. Now, for my spiritual bees who are into spirituality, if you are seeing this, let me look into guidance for you all in terms of your spiritual journey. Let's see what is important for you in the month of September to evolve and enhance your journey. Stop dwelling between things which are not necessary. You are supposed to sit with your thoughts, but not dwell so much that you give into your anxieties, you give into your overthinking, or you give into your noises in the head. People around you will talk. They will talk whatever they want to, but that does not mean you will agree with them. You can be okay by listening to them. Just don't go ahead with everyone's idea. That's it. And a lot of you need to start meditating, or you need to start working on your spiritual journey. You feel you are starting from a scratch, but not really. A lot of your past karmic learnings are a part of this journey as well. So go ahead, start meditating, look into the god or the goddess which is calling you out. There's a proper invitation of the energy trying to seek you out. It's just you're not able to see it. So have a look at it. All right. So this is the glimpse in the month of September. If you're looking for a personalized detailed reading, feel free to message me on Instagram. It's at the red tarotpreneur with double P, and it's mentioned below. Follow me for more tarot psychology content. I am Acharya Tanish Gupta, your spiritual counselor.